Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I started the camera late. So what I'm doing, I'm gluing a Mohawk mullet. The sides of her head is already shaved. So I'm just basically showing how to glue in the tracks and then how I cut it. So you guys stick around till the end. Make sure to leave a like on the video. If you're not subscribed, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is unboxings, tutorials, how-tos, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit the subscribe button and join the squad, and we'll love on you over here. So guys, just pay close attention to this install, and I'll see you guys at the end. Now, I'm not doubling any tracks and gluing them together. I actually split half of the hair, and some of the tracks are not split for me to have and get my fullness from. I do not like gluing tracks together. I feel like it makes the hair bumpy and you can actually feel it in your head. So the best thing to do is to just glue as close as you can, and as I don't want to say it's tight, but just glue as close as you can, because you want the hairstyle to feel as natural as possible. You don't want to feel lumps and bumps in your head. So if you can see, everything on her head is smooth. I go up a little bit at the sides and then I just fill in the middle. So guys, just keep looking on, and if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below. Remember, I have a raffle going on. Also, there is membership if you would like to join. So even though her hair is cut into a mohawk, I do not put tracks in the back and then go in and fill it in the top. I still remain to glue in a circular motion. This is my technique. I've seen a lot of different ones on YouTube. So I hope you can take something away from this technique and add it to your own. If you would like to know how to close up a quick weave, I will link a video right down below, that you can click on to see how to close up a quick weave. You also could go over to my channel and just, search through my videos. I have a lot of videos that focuses on how to close up a quick weave. So have no fear. Alicia Handles It is here. Obviously, I showed you guys how I glued in this quick weave, and now I'm going to show you how I cut it. I did not style it in this video. I'll have a video coming up this week of a full restyle of this particular style, but this is just a how to cut and how to install this mullet mohawk quick weave. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And love you guys so much. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and we'll be talking more in the future. This video was kind of off a little bit, but you know, I gotta give you guys, I gotta give you guys the content. All right, so see you guys in the next video.